Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow!
We're back.
Back again.
Shady Mark's back.
How do you mean shady?
Right, we're off on our jollies.
We are, at the moment we're on the M56 heading towards Wales, I think.
Yes, heading towards North Wales.
And we are going to
Burton, Zeeker.
which is another CL we found. Chester.
It is in Chester.
It's a £15 a night site with metered electricity.
Our first time.
Yeah.
Meter virgins.
But we've got some coins. It said to take £1 or £2 coins, so we've got a stack of pound coins ready.
Yeah.
What I thought we'd do, we're just going to do everything as we normally do, and just see how much it uses on average, and then we'll let you know.
Yeah. That's a do.
Yeah. Well, I can't see us using that much because we don't use a great deal, but we will use the microwave, we'll use the electric kettle, we'll put the hot water on, that sort of stuff, you know, so we'll just see how it goes.
Yeah.
But I think it will still be relatively cheap at £15 a night plus electric, so we will see.
Yeah, not plus electric.
Well, £15 a night plus the cost of electric, yeah. What else has the site got? I don't know, because you booked this one.
I don't know, because I go on to the UK campsite and I don't know my login, so I look for sites and then I say to Mark, found a site, and he goes on and says, okay, book it. So I don't know.
Was that UK campsites or was that the Caravan Motorhome Club?
Sorry, yes, it was the what did you say? Caravan and Motorhome Club, yeah. So yeah, we don't know what's there. It's got electricity. That's all we know.
Well, yeah,
it's grass pitch, I think.
Yeah, I don't think there's any hard standing there at all.
Yeah. The lady was very nice. The site owner, she's Mrs. Jenny Harding. Done a bit of emailing with her.
Did you read your emails? Because I wonder, do we have to do anything when we arrive?
It didn't say.
You didn't read it.
I didn't. But we don't normally do anything. We normally just go and just
find out when we get there, I suppose.
Exactly. And if we pitch up and we're in the wrong spot, then Mark just moves us.
No thanks. Now we've got the sat nav on as normal, but we have got the directions printed from the Caravan Club. But I don't think they're very good this time.
No, it doesn't really tell you much. But she did ask me if I wanted what 3 words. And I've never done that, and I thought, oh, I can't be bothered, so...
Oh, what 3 words is up to Craig?
I don't know what it would have been.
Yeah, because it says what, on the M56, then take a certain road. It doesn't give you what junction or anything, does it?
No, it just says the M56 heading towards North Wales, and then turn left onto the A540.
You can't turn right on a motorway.
It says left.
I know, that's what I say.
Well, I don't know. So we just wait and see.
The sat-nav says we're coming off in 7.2 miles.
Yeah.
Onto the A540, so
yeah.
Sat-nav's gone the right
I've just got it. It says after approximately 0.5 miles after that turn right onto Long Lane, and then we're basically there.
Basically.
But yeah, unless we get lost, which can't happen. But yeah, it should be straightforward enough.
Yeah. Shall we tell them the little debacle we've had so far today?
Well, let's just tell them what time it is. It is now 2:44 and we have been in this car since 11 AM, and we went to the storage and we picked up the caravan, and then we had problems.
Well, the problems were the M56, which we're on at the moment, back there is closed.
Yeah.
So they sent us on a little detour.
Little?
Well, nearly 2 hour detour, I think it was.
2 hour detour.
And when you're towing a caravan, some of the country roads it puts you down.
They were nice country roads, some beautiful houses.
I think someone nearly took the side of the caravan off at one stage.
Yeah, going a bit fast, weren't they?
Yeah. But we made it and we got back onto the 56.
Yeah. Could do with a drink though.
Oh yeah. Tell me about it.
And that smell, what is that stench?
Oh, sorry about that. I think it's the fields done. It's what they call country air.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah.
Oh, they can keep it. Do you know the pig farm smell better?
I think it is a pig farm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so at the moment we're 11 minutes away, that's all, so we're not that far, but again, we're in traffic.
Yeah.
It's been like that all the way, isn't it? Every road we've been on, even the sat nav keep coming up and say, oh, we found you a quicker route. No, we found you a quicker route.
Yeah, but don't forget, what is it?
What?
It's bank holiday.
Is it?
And the kids are on half term.
Why did we book it on bank holiday?
Because we're stupid.
They're not on half term, we saw kids in school uniform.
Yeah, but it's Friday.
Oh, yeah.
So they finish, don't they, today?
Yeah.
So everyone's going on the holidays.
That shouldn't be allowed.
Now, I just hope this site is adult only, because Mark gets a bit angry.
I don't get angry at all.
You do. One sign of a football, and that's it. So let's just hope. I don't know.
Actually, I don't think it is adult only.
Is it?
I don't think so.
You don't?
No.
Oh, sheesh.
You don't get many kids in the CLs normally anyway, do you?
We used to take our kids.
I know, that's why they don't go caravanning anymore. We put them off for life. Come on kids, let's go to a field. They love that, don't they?
Yeah, but they love the swing ball and stuff, and the bulls and the bowling and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Tennis, no, not tennis. It was badminton. Yeah.
Yeah.
You make your own fun, you know, picnics and your barbecues.
Yeah, because we've always used CLs, haven't we?
Yeah.
As long as I can remember.
Now and again we'll have like a big week away,
yeah,
family.
We've got one coming up, haven't we? And
yeah.
It's probably our favourite site, isn't it?
It is our favourite site.
Not going to tell anyone, but I bet you know.
Everyone goes there now anyway.
But yeah, we've got that one coming up, which is that's a biggish site, isn't it? But it doesn't feel it. That's the nice thing about it.
We used to get emails, don't we? Are you going to blah blah this year?
Yeah.
We're going this time. What time are you going? Oh, I'll see you there.
Yeah,
mind you, we were on a CL. Was it last time? And we got a message when we got back saying we were on the same site as you.
Yeah, they pulled up, didn't they? I don't know who it was, but they didn't come over and say hi.
No. You can always come over and say hi, you know, we don't bite.
Yeah.
Well, not hard anyway.
But yeah, I don't know who they were. I don't know if that was the motorhome or the van conversion. The motorhome was there before we were there and was still there when we left, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But the van conversion, I think, only came overnight. So it turned up, I think, and then the next morning they left. So it might have been them. I don't know.
Have we got stickers in the car?
I think we do have some stickers.
So if you pop over and want to say hi, you get yourself a sticker.
You might do if we've got any left.
Yeah, we'll have to have a look, I'll have to check.
Yeah. You'll have to do that. So I think last time someone asked for a sticker, I think we said that was like on the whole sheet, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But, just gave them the sheet because we couldn't cut.
We couldn't cut them up. We need to cut some up. And,
I don't know what we're going to do about that though, because we've still got a little birdie on ours.
Well, do you know what? Most people still call it Twitter anyway. X is a stupid name. It is.
Yeah, I must admit, I don't really use it that much.
No.
But we've still got it on the back of the van as well.
Yeah.
We could get a black biro and just put a cross through it. X.
Yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, I suppose sooner or later we'd have to change it or take it off. But that means doing that.
I wouldn't bother because, I mean, you can't, you want to tweet, you can't X. It's just stupid.
You can X.
Well, yeah, we want 3 X's, but I don't want that site.
Which one do we stay? I just stay on it, don't we?
But you want me to have a look at my...
I think we're staying on the 50s.
Yeah, 56 to North Wales.
So we need to move over.
Yeah, heading towards North Wales.
Yeah. turn off here, don't we?
Normally we do.
What's that one? Oh, that was to, I was going to say the other side, wasn't it? Heathfield.
Yeah.
We normally go to, wasn't it? Yeah, because this is a new site, never been before.
Nope.
I hope I'm in focus.
Yeah. Just because I'm looking around doesn't mean you're not in, like, I just pin my arm down and that's it. It gets a bit wobbly now and again, so I apologise. I apologise for camera shakage. That's another new word. Camera shakage. Yeah.
With your mapping skills, is it?
Yep.
Definitely needed them today, didn't we?
David Bennettson liked my mapping skills.
Did he?
He did.
Yeah, it's probably after his sat-nav doesn't take him where he wants to go. He's got a new sat-nav and it's apparently not very good.
Well, I've just got a new phone and it's AI and it was very good. Because we lost signal on my old one. Right at the beginning of all those country roads.
Yeah, because we actually don't use the car sat-nav, we use the
phone sat-nav.
Phone sat-nav, the Google Maps one, doesn't it? It comes through onto the car anyway. So when we lose signal with the phone, the sat-nav just freezes. And that happens quite a bit on your old phone.
It did.
But this new one,
it seems to be doing fine.
New network, which is handy now because we're on different networks. So if we go to a site, if one phone don't work, hopefully the other one will.
Yeah.
We'll see when that happens.
Aye.
Well, we're 2.3 miles away from the A540, so you need to get your list down to see if we're going the right way.
What list? It's all in my head. I don't use lists. Oops, the sun just shining on it.
There's nothing on in your head.
The sun just shined right on the camera. Oh, okay, I lied. It's not in my head, it's on a piece of paper.
In 2 miles, use the left lane to take the A540 exit towards
telling us anyway.
I think it's probably taking us the right way, but I did remember you saying in one of your emails something about the postcode takes you to, I don't know if it was miles away or just off the road or what, I don't know.
I don't know.
We come off here anyway.
I've got a very numb bum sitting there so long. Doesn't help my back problems at all.
I don't think this car helps with back problems at all.
No, this car is the most uncomfortable car I've ever been in my life. Still, next year, new car.
New car next year, yeah. Don't know what yet though.
No.
I've been looking actually at the Mazda CX-5, I think it is. So if anyone tows with one, let us know what they're like.
And let us know if it's got lumbar support and stuff like that for the passenger seat.
This thing's got all the latest gadgets in it and everything, but your seat's got nothing, does it?
My seat's got nothing. I can't lower it, I can't higher it, I can't do anything with it.
Yeah, it's a bit weird really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, no right. So we must be coming off here soon.
Don't know if the sun's shining on this.
In a quarter of a mile, use the left lane.
I think we're not interested in looking at my ugly mug anyway, so...
Do you know that's quite true?
So there's the junction. This must be it.
Yep, so it's the
Use the left lane to
A540.
take the A540 exit.
Yep, 540, yeah.
And then it's not
In a
long
quarter of
after
a mile,
that,
at Parkway roundabout, take the first exit onto Parkgate Road, A540.
Well, apparently we're only 4 minutes away, so it can't be that far away.
No, it's only 0.5 miles.
So we need to go, yeah, that's the jet station. Is it? Or no, I don't know.
It's at Chester, I don't know.
Yeah, we need to go across. So we need to go down here first. Exit. Yeah, still on the A540.
Right.
Exit the roundabout onto Parkgate Road. Long Lane.
That's it.
Is that right?
Yep, Long Lane, and then it's the first right onto Lodge Lane.
So right onto Long Lane and right onto Lodge Lane. So it must be actually round here, doesn't it?
Yeah. Lodge Lane reminds me of the Orange Lodge. Dad used to take us with my grandma every year.
Why?
Do you know what? I actually don't know. It was something to do with religion, I think.
So, yeah, that's just the one.
Yeah. But being a kid, you don't ask them questions. You just go to listen to the bands and people marching, don't you?
Okay,
In
so
half a mile, turn right onto Lodge Lane.
Yep.
what road are we on at the moment?
We're on Long Lane at the moment.
Long Lane.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, considering it's supposed to rain today,
It's beautiful.
it's beautiful.
Real beautiful. Yeah. Sog Hall, well, apparently, we're in.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
And it's gone right down to 1 bar.
What, my phone?
No, fine.
Oh. Well, we're nearly there anyway, so hopefully, if the sat-nav goes, we will just
This is the first right
use
you're
your
looking for.
mappage skills.
Yeah, the first right you're looking for.
First right.
Yep.
I think it's just up there where that car went. Yeah.
Take the next right onto Lodge Lane.
So is it? Which way is it? Let's see how. That's on that. Okay. Oh,
Continue on Lodge Lane for half a mile.
looks like we're in a housing estate.
Now, after 200 metres, we want to turn right into Green Farm.
Was that it?
200 metres, was that 200 metres?
Probably. Is there anyone
Well, there's a
behind
sign
us?
right there.
What?
I don't know, green thingy sign.
Oh, there it is, yeah. So it's up here then, isn't it? Yep.
Yeah, that's the
That's the
right
sign.
one.
Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. And it's the second field, isn't it?
Second field.
On the left.
Second field on the left,
In
it is.
150 yards,
So that's
make a
is that
U-turn.
the first field? Oh, I see it. I see.
There's a caravan there. Oh, gosh.
Make a U-turn, then turn right onto
I'm
Lodge
not making a
Lane.
U-turn. Stop it. I'm here. There we go. Is this it?
I'm guessing so. Storage.
Storage.
I'm guessing the street ahead, is it? Where that caravan is over there.
I'm hoping we've gone the right way.
Oh, there's another caravan. And a motorhome.
Motorhome. Could be.
Under the trees.
Huh?
There's a place under the trees, or there's a place here.
Do you just park up anywhere?
Well, I'm guessing so. Do you want to go under them trees, or do you want to go?
I don't want to go under the trees, really.
So you're going to be facing. You could go under the trees and face that way. Hang on, which side's the door on?
Your side.
My side. So
So
if you went
you
in.
could go there, couldn't you, I suppose?
Yeah. I was just thinking if you went in backwards under the trees, the door would be on the other side. And then we could have our own little spot.
Where's the sun? You're going to be shaded. Sun's that way.
Well, there's 5 pictures, isn't there?
Supposed to be.
So 1, 2, 3, yeah. Was that one or that one?
I don't know. Where do you want?
I don't care. I just
Anyway, we're here. So
Yeah. Yep, so we're here. So if you like what you see,
give us one of these.
yep. And please subscribe and like the page. See you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.